Hi everyone, congratulations if you see this video, that means your Wati account is ready with your own number and using the official WhatsApp API. So this video I'll cover all the essentials of Wati for you to start with. First of all, when you log in, you will see that you're logging with your own account. And then for the account that we sign off to you, that should be the administrator. First of all, if you click it right here, you can start setting up your account. If you go to the setting page, here you can set up your profile picture that is for your customer to see when they message your number. And of course, you can add more information, for example, your website, description, or email that will be important for your client to reach out to you. Secondly, in the same setting page, if you click General, you can change the icon right here within Wati as well to your own company logo. And after that, you can also change the language within the Wati platform as well. So we now offer Chinese, English, and Spanish as our platform language. And other than that, you can also manage your operator within Wati. What you can do right here is that you can add more operator to the platform as Wati by default. If you're paying for the monthly subscription, it will include 5 operator within your platform, including the account that you're using. So technically, you can add 4 more to your platform. So after you click Add Operator, you simply need to input the first name, last name, and their email. Click Email Confirmed It. Create a password for them. And they will be able to use their own email and password to log in. And if they would like to reset, they can use the registered email and click Forget Password to reset the password. And here, when you scroll down a bit more, if you want different people in your team to have different assets or a different role, you can also choose their role right here, and they can have multiple roles at the same time as well. Other than that, you can add them to different teams as well, for example, sales, marketing, or supporting. So other than that, if you're looking for any API documents right here in the platform or integration, you can see it in this tab as well. So after that, I would like to cover the contact page for you. The contact page is where you can manage all the WhatsApp contact of your client. So of course, you can use the API to import all the contacts of your client right here, or you can manually add them by add contact one by one, or upload in bulk by Excel format. What you can do right here is that you can edit your contact and also give them different attributes to label them. For example, you can add the city location or the language preference, whatever that will be easy for you to search or categorize a group of your client. So after that, if you would like to send outbound message to your client, you can click the broadcast page. And as we know that if you would like to send outbound message using WhatsApp API, you must have your template message approved by WhatsApp. So under the broadcast page, on the left-hand side here, you will see the template message right here. Simply click here, add new template message. And choose a category. And you can choose the language that will be useful for your template message. In the header part, that is optional, but you can always choose the text message as title or add multimedia. So here, I already prepared a PDF to upload with the template message to send out to the client. Need to select the correct format document. And then I will go to customize my own body text. So you can add the attribute as a variable within the body text, so you can customize the message to your client. And then later on in the footer part, that is optional as well, but you can also add your own message for your client. And lastly, in the button, you can add call to action button, which you can include a website link or a phone number that is for your client to reach out to you. And alternatively, you can add a text as a button as a quick reply as well. So after you fill in all the information here, you can save it as a draft. And it will only be a draft in the platform until you submit the template for WhatsApp validation. So after you click yes, it will have a message pop up to inform you that the message will take 30 minutes to 2 business days, which is the WhatsApp SLA to approve or reject your message within 48 hours. So you will see that the status is pending right now in the platform. And you can also use API or send a broadcast message manually right here using the approved template. So after that, if anyone reply to you or send you an inbound message, you will see all the message in the team inbox. And of course, all the operator across your teams will be supporting the same WhatsApp number, and they will all see the incoming message in the team inbox, and they will be able to reply their client right here. So now you will see a page that's similar to WhatsApp Web for you to reply to your client. And you will see that the chat will be appear on your left hand side, and here in the middle it will be where you can reply to your client. So as you can see, by default, if your client say hi, the bot will automatically take the chat if you have set up the bot in automation. And then if you would like to change to the human agent, simply click the gray circle right here to assign to the agent across your team, or simply assign it back to the bot. And below here, you can freely type your message, or you can use the quick reply right here with this lightning icon. Quick reply. Of course, you can set up your own quick reply response by giving a name and setting up the content. And once you save it, you will see the quick reply. You just need to click it and then send it out to your client. So once you set it up, it will be shared across the team, so all your agent can use the quick reply material. And of course, as an agent, you can send attachment, emoji, sticker, or even trigger the flow for your client as well. So I have mentioned a lot about the bot and also the flow as well. Automation is where you can set up your bot without any coding, and even if you're just a business user without any technical knowledge, you can easily set up your flow and also your bot here. So most of the flow or bot or reply, they will be triggered by the keyword. So you simply need to set up some keyword. For example, you can use different languages or even emoji to trigger the auto reply. And for the auto reply, it is not only restricted to text. You can also auto reply the document, images, video, stickers, flow, which later I will show you in the flow builder, contact attribute, and also reply with the template with button as well, and also assign it to a different operator if they would like to, let's say, have a keyword of talk to agents, talk to human. So it is how you can easily trigger with the keyword and reply with all different types of messages. In the flow, you can easily set up your flow with Wati. So there's no single code that you need to write. It is all drag and drop, and you can customize your message just by double clicking it and put different message contents right here. And don't worry about this, it may look a bit complicated. If you create your own flow, just click flow right here, and if you add a new flow, our technical team have all the template ready for you to start using it. So once you choose a template to start with, you only need to click use it and then customize the template, the message content inside, and that will be for your use already once you save it. So I hope that will be like an easy start for you of using Wati. And if you have any question, we are always here for you. So in the right corner, you will see a tower right here. That is actually our help center. You can easily search for the article that, if you have any question. For example, I have template related question. Just put template right here. There will be a lot of help article that could answer your question. And if you cannot find anything that is related to your question, you can click contact here to message us. And if you would like to use any API to integrate with your platform, we have the API documentation here for your developer. So the API is available within the Wati platform already. So you click API docs. Then you will have the Wati API ready for integration, for triggering message, or get contact list, for example, all these functions. And last but not least, a lot of people, they apply for WhatsApp official API in order to get the green tick for their account. So the prerequisite is that you must have a WhatsApp API business account to get the green tick. So we also have the help article right here to explain you in detail. After you get the WhatsApp approved API account, and then we will help you to enable the 2 steps authentication, and then you will need to submit an application with us with the $50 non-refundable fee for this application. So we will send you this form, and then you will fill in all the detail about your business for us to help you to file an application to WhatsApp. So I hope all this will be easy for you to understand all the basics about Wati. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out to us. And also we have the YouTube channel of Wati that you can see a lot of useful video on our YouTube channel or within our help center as well. So thank you very much for your application to Wati, and I hope you enjoy using Wati to communicate with your client. Thank you very much.